Want to send a photo on Instagram that disappears after someone views it once? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send a view once photo on Instagram using the latest Instagram update. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Open the chat where you want to send the view once photo. Inside the chat, tap the camera icon. Now take a new photo or select one from your gallery if Instagram allows it. After choosing your photo, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see options like View Once, Allow Replay, Keep in Chat. Simply select View Once. This means the receiver can only open and view the photo one time, and after that, it disappears automatically. Now tap the Send button. That's it, your view. Once photo has been sent successfully.